Outside India's top 40 metros, in the next 400 small towns and cities with population under 10 lakhs, lives 60% of our country's population. These families spend between 7,500 to 10,000 rupees every month on daily essentials and grocery. And this market is worth over 32 lakh crore rupees annually. That's 500 billion US dollars. And this spending is growing rapidly at 14% year on year. Consumption in small towns is exploding. These consumers are highly aspirational. They have smartphones in their hands and family members in metros who constantly influence them to buy better and eat better. They are connected to e-commerce, but not for daily essentials yet. For clothing, electronics, and accessories, 70% of e-commerce orders are still cash on delivery. And big e-commerce companies take 3 to 5 days for delivery because of deep trust issues. And when it comes to grocery, staples, fresh vegetables, fruits, dairy, and frozen products, big e-commerce companies simply cannot serve small towns reliably. These items are highly perishable. Freshness and expiry matter, and their supply chain is not built for it. India is a vast country with highly diverse consumption patterns that vary from kitchen to kitchen. This is exactly why customers need a trusted local touchpoint. And no one is better placed than the neighborhood retailer. Local retailers can deliver fresh goods in just 60 minutes. What customers truly need is trust and reliability. And the best trust point is their neighborhood retailer. India is a retailer-led economy with millions of such local entrepreneurs. Whether you run a kirana store, fresh fruit shop, snack center, restaurant, or any local business, managing everything manually is exhausting and limiting your growth. This gap is your biggest advantage. With StoreKing Retail OS, you can go online through smart, asset-light mechanics and transform your shop into a bright store in just 5 minutes, powered by advanced AI. We've built it on 3 powerful pillars. First, smart supply chain. StoreKing is building India's biggest asset-light marketplace. Buy directly from distributors, manufacturers, brands, D2C companies, and even farmers. AI predicts demand, automates orders, and smart logistics ensures fast, reliable delivery so you never run out of stock. Second, smart management. Create your catalog from 100,000 plus products, set B2B and B2C pricing, offer pay later to consumers, track every order, pick, pack, and deliver to customers' doorstep, manage expenses, generate profit and loss statements along with automatic GST billing and e-invoicing. Complete business control all from your phone. Third, sales and online store. Instantly launch your digital store at storeking.in/your mobile number. Customers discover products through the StoreKing Club app, WhatsApp links, and QR codes. Offer King Coins as loyalty rewards on every order and sell seamlessly to B2C customers. Now you can serve your customers better and grow your business like never before. As a Bright Store, you become a mini distribution center for your town, delivering fresh goods in 60 minutes with complete trust. You can also easily expand into pharma, baby products, and many more adjacent categories. Today, StoreKing has already empowered over 20,000 retailers across South India, spanning 1,500 towns and positively impacting the lives of 4.2 million households. We are now accelerating rapidly, aiming to create 100,000 Bright stores in the next 12 months and 250,000 Bright stores across India in the coming years to serve every corner of the country. Go live in 5 minutes. Transform your shop into a Bright store with StoreKing. Retail OS today.